Today we're going to be making traditional glutinous rice ball chicken Napa soup. Rinse 1 pound of lean pork and rinse 1 free-range chicken. Slice the lean pork into thin pieces, then chop the chicken into pieces. Remove any excess skin and fat from the neck. Remove the skin from the ginger and cut 4 slices of ginger. Add the chicken bones and ginger to make the broth. Marinate the sliced pork and chicken meat with 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar for each. Mix well. Wash and drain 6 leaves of Napa. Cut the Napa to 1-inch slices. Add 300 grams of glutinous rice flour to the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of hot boiling water slowly and stir with chopsticks. Slowly start kneading the dough with your hand. Continue to knead the dough until all the flour is gone. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and continue to knead the dough. When all the flour is gone, you will notice that the dough is dry and firm with a little bounce to it. It is now ready to be cut and rolled into 1-inch balls. Add the Napa, pork, and chicken into the soup. Stir and continue to boil. When the soup comes to a boil, add the glutinous rice balls. You will need to stir gently. When the rice balls start to float and bubble up, you will know that it's ready. Skim and remove the excess oil floating on the top to ensure that the soup is nice and healthy. It is ready when you notice that the balls are floating on top.